Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to see the hidden error of sum function in Excel. Let's see what it is. Before that, we will create one table, month, zone, business. Okay, Jan, Feb. We will drag it to 12 months. Zone, south, east, west and north. We will copy and paste here. We will format that value for better understanding, and you will drag it. This is okay, and this one, and this one. Okay. So normally what we do, we enter the sum function here, sum function open bracket, and we will select the range, okay, and close the bracket. Okay, as of now it's okay. So total amount, how much it is coming? 7,80,000 and 7,80,000. Okay, right. Now the problem comes here. Suppose if I am going to select south zone total figure, then it should come as 1,50,000, but how much it is showing? 7,80,000. This is the bug we get when use the sum function. So what is the alternate for this? Yes, we have one alternate option which is called subtotal. Let's see. Here, instead of sum function, we are going to use subtotal. Subtotal, open bracket, and the shortcut code is 9 for sum, comma, then we need to select the range and we will close the bracket. 9 means sum, we are going to sum the value, and this is a reference value. Okay, so 7,80,000 is for total. Okay, now we will select the south zone. Okay, now see how much it is showing. So 1,50,000 is coming. Hope you understood this subtotal function. Thank you.